I think wireless Rode has the best sound in the market. And now there's a new version, Wireless Go Gen 3. And you can see I'm using the pod mic, I'm using the wireless one. It is a great sounding device. Now you can choose colors. Many of them. Shiny ones. But you know what? As a YouTuber, I think the universal one is black and white. You don't want your microphone to pop too much in the video. Or maybe you do. I don't know. For me, no. I will just go with a black, I guess. The new version has 32-bit float, like in the Pro version. Auto gain. Okay, it's basically the Pro without the timecode. Very similar. Almost identical. And that's cool. Very cool. But if we go to the pricing, that's 329 euros in Europe. And you have that really weird looking charger. 3 dead cats. I'm not sure why it's free, because not free, but 3 of them, because the transmitter and receiver are separate. It's not the same device, so. And the case, all right. And the Pro version is just a couple of euros more. And with the Pro, you will get way more. Check this out. You have a lavalier mics, cases, 4 of that. I guess if you lose them, yeah. Wow, such a bigger and richer set. So I'm not sure about that price. Who's gonna buy them if you can have such a rich Pro version? By the way, going back, you know what I would love to see in the wireless Me? I would love to see receiver and transmitter at the same device, of course, with that battery indicator. That will be super cool. And maybe internal recording. It'll be even better. It'll be just like, super device. Other than that, that's, I think, all I got. You'll be better off with the Pro version and waiting for the wireless Me. Gen 2, I guess. Or 3? No, Gen 2. Yeah, Gen 2. Oh, and there's also a wireless Micro, which I'm definitely going to buy. That's dedicated for smartphones, for iPhone and the Android. That's all I got. See you next video. Bye.